Hi, this is my feedback for eBay seller Skyboxer 17. On his feedback, he does exceptionally well, but unfortunately on this experience it's terrible. I ordered MP3 4th generation. Okay, MP3 4th generation. Doesn't really show on the picture there as to whether or not it is an MP3, but when the item did arrive, it's an MP4. Not compatible for almost nothing, for anything. The other added concern is if you have any decent headphones, you are unable to plug these in. The jack is incredibly small, which is there on the side. Can't see it, can you? Sorry about that. But the jack plug, as you can see, is not the normal. It's not the normal size. It's the smaller size. So again, if you want to use your own headphones, earphones, it won't fit. They will in effect be too big for the hole. I've written to Skyboxer maybe 4 or 5 times now, every second day. The initial message that I sent to say, oh, there's been a mistake somewhere, they did reply that, and they asked for photographic evidence. The evidence that they asked for was that, as well as that. Beg your pardon, there, as well as that. MP4. The communication is terrible. The price, okay, it is good, but again, placing emphasis on MP4 is almost pointless. You can't get anything. You can't download all the things that you wish to download. So it's definitely a waste of money. But obviously, again, by all means, if they have other toys to sell, it might be worth to consider them, but these definitely no. I think the biggest concern, which I haven't mentioned as yet, the item looks great there, but up close it looks so incredibly cheap. It's awful. It really is awful. Almost feels like if you cough on it, it'll just. But anyway, there you go. That's my feedback. Negative feedback. Sorry guys, but you didn't get in touch with me. That's Skyboxer 17.